Hi guys, I'm Eva, welcome to my channel. I had a really big surprise today in that my May Cures and Curses box arrived. Yep, I know it's not May yet, but the theme is the Beltane, which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically celebrating the May Day festival. Usually falls on May the 1st, so in between the spring and summer equinox, and that's why Cures and Curses have sent the boxes early. Usually they'll send the month around the 14th, 15th, but yeah, I've got this one early this month. Well, it's not even May yet. $29.99 a month, and it is probably the best kind of witchy pagan subscription that I've come across. One that I'm definitely keeping. I think this is like my 4th box, and I haven't been disappointed at all yet. So let's just dig in and see what we've got. As always, it comes in like the back or the satchel, which is packed full of stuff, and then you get the paperwork in here. So you've got the card, Cures and Curses, their info on. We've got this. Okay, so we've got paperwork, which tells you what's in the box. Also says a bit about the Beltane there. I hope I'm saying that right. It says many pagan cultures have their own version of a festival marking the beginning of summer. Around this time in England, the holiday became known as May Day. Okay, so it goes in about customs, and also you can make some honey cakes if you want to. Always on this kind of lovely paper too, which makes it kind of look like oldish. I really like that. And then just have a drink. A hay fever's kind of kicking off today. I can kind of feel it in my eyes already. And then we always get like a print or a like poster, and this is the one we've got with what looks like a verse or poem. It says, on the night of Beltane, the fire shall burn to usher in the Sun King and welcome his return. Hand in hand on this night, the Lord and Lady sing joy upon the land and gifts that they will bring. And there is a bit more, but I'm not going to read all that. So that's that one. And then, where's it gone? There it is. Okay, so we've got yellow this month. Seem to have had different colours every month. Oh well, this is just packed full of stuff. Where should we start? Okay. Sorry about that, I think someone was trying to ring me on my iPad. Okay, so here we go again. We've got a vanilla scented air freshener pentagram thing. Can't really smell much at the moment through there, but I guess you can hang it in your car or hang it in your home, wherever you want really. And what's that one? And then next we have, it says, oh wow, I thought it was a candle, but it's not. It says Beltane Fire Shampoo Bar. Oh, it smells lovely. Spread tissue paper. Wow, that smells gorgeous. And that is shampoo, like shampoo bar. I've never actually used one of those. So I'm guessing you just kind of rub it in your hair. I'll have to try that. Yeah, I've got a little tin that it comes in too. It's really cool. Means you can like use it and then put it back in the tin, rather than kind of just having it on the side anyway. And another one, we've got Dead Sea Honey Scrub. This one's sealed, so I think I'm probably best just leaving it sealed because I don't want to get the salts all over. Not all over the bed anyway. So yeah, I guess it's like a Dead Sea salt with honey. But again, lovely. And in this lovely little tin. Well, not little, it's quite big actually. Yeah, definitely kind of bigger than my hand, my palm. That's those. We've got a bottle. Beltane spell jar. Blended mint, mugwort, thyme, marigold, frankincense, yarrow, and a scroll spell for Beltane contained within. Okay, so it's issuing the Beltane rituals for fertility, abundance from the Earth Mother in the season of fire. You use them in your offering bowl as a candle or as part of your Beltane spell work. Okay, so yep, I can see the spell inside there, and it's full of like herb stuff. It's quite bright today, isn't it? Okay, a few more things in here. Leaving the little ones at the bottom because I know I've got two biggish things too. Oh, we always get wax melts and I love them. This time we've got Lily of the Valley wax melts. And yeah, I'm going to open them because I can smell them. Excuse me. Oh, we've got these ones. We've got flower one and like a star flower type. Lovely. And then like a little tulip. So there's 5 in total of those. Oh no, sorry, 6 on this one. Got 6 of those in there. And oh, got a little one. Let's have a look what's in here. Oh, we've got some gemstones. I'll have a look what these are because I'm not too sure. Both like a greenish colour. Bloodstone, tumblestones, traditionally associated with Beltane, with properties reflecting vitality and courage. Bloodstone also has grounding and purifying properties with its ability to ward off negative energy and purify and cleanse the energy around it. Beautiful stones. Okay, I think there's 2 more biggish items in the bag. So yeah, they're both in boxes. This one and this one. So I'll open the smaller one first. If I can. And it's another box. Okay. What is this? Oh, hello. I think it's like a like a tree, kind of tree man pattern, and then inside for like storing little stones maybe, or little bits of jewellery. It's really cute actually. Yep, I like that. Oh, there we go. It's like really nice wood too. Just have a look at the description. So a hand-carved tree of life wooden trinket box and a hinged box made from mango wood featuring a hand-carved tree of life design in the lid. Perfect to add to your altar to store herbs, crystals or incense. Very pretty. And then we've got the last one, which actually says on it Nemesis now, which is pretty exciting because I do like my Nemesis now bits and pieces. So let's see what we've got. Oh, it's gorgeous. So we've got a chalice, and this has like kind of dragons around it. Very nice. Very pretty design. I've got kind of 2 already sorted, so that'll go nicely with them. It's very, very pretty. Just try and put this back. Going that way, I think. Okay, so that's all box for May. I'll just go over that again. So you can see what I got. I got the chalice. I got the gorgeous little wooden box. I got the wax melts. The bloodstone in the little bag. 2 pieces. Spell. The pentagram freshener, the Dead Sea salt scrub, and the shampoo bar, and then the print, and of course the satchel. All that for just £29.95 a month.